OG of all meme coins, Doge is about to explode. In the next few weeks or months, everything could be changing and we could be seeing a parabolic move with Dogecoin. So what you have to do is to stay with me until the end of the video, because I'm going to explain to you why Dogecoin could be about to explode in the next months, and of course, how are you going to be able to benefit from it. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Andrea here, professional crypto and stocks trader. Today I'm going to give you a long-term and short-term analysis on Dogecoin. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. I want to cut the chase straight away and show you why I believe that Dogecoin, the king of all meme coins, is about to go crazy. Reason number one, guys, from a fundamental point of view, you can see that right now there is a collaboration with Donald Trump and Elon Musk. So Elon Musk pretty much is going to join Donald Trump in his presidential journey, if, of course, he's going to be elected. And what we could be seeing, there are some rumors at the moment that Dogecoin is strategically positioned for the election results. Why is that? Because there are some rumors who are saying that right now, Elon Musk as well as Donald Trump could be utilizing, or they could be creating a department of government efficiency, which is going to reduce the government spending by utilizing Doge as a form of spending. That's going to be the first news, which of course is going to make the price go completely parabolic. So the eventuality of Donald Trump winning the election could spark this potential pump with Dogecoin based on these rumors that I already explained to you before. And also there is a second reason, guys, that Elon Musk has been talking about for a long time about X payment. You can see on X, Elon Musk is already saying that payment through Doge will be integrated later this year. So the combination of this department of efficiency utilizing Dogecoin plus X payment on a digital, on a social platform could really help to propel the price of Doge way higher. But today I'm going to really, is your lucky day, because I'm going to explain to you short-term, long-term, where we could be going to. Now, some people are saying that it's impossible for Doge to double in value, to triple in value, because the market capitalization is already very high. Guys, cryptocurrencies works on market capitalization. You can see, for example, Bitcoin has 1 trillion, Ethereum has 400 billion, and so on. You can see that right now the market capitalization of Dogecoin is around 24 billions. So in case we are going to see, as an example, a 10x, 20x from here, it could be bringing Dogecoin to 240 billions to 480 billions in market value. So the question you should be asking yourself is, do you think it's possible for Dogecoin to reach, for example, $1.80, $2, $3, and so much more? In my opinion, looking at the chart, which I'm going to show you in a second, I believe that with the market capitalization at 24 billion, it wouldn't be unusual, especially if Bitcoin is going to have the proper explosion, parabolic melt up to 120K, 130K, therefore reaching a market cap of maybe 1.8 to $2 trillion. It wouldn't be out of the equation for Dogecoin to reach a 90 to even $100 billion market cap. And of course, in relative numbers, you can see that right now we are at 24 billion. So it could be a 4x from here, bringing us to roughly 80 cents to even $1. So that's what I can think right now. But now let's have a look at the most important part, guys, the chart. The charts never lie. I'm a chartist. That's what I do. That's my job. And I'm going to show you what I can see from here. What is already taking me from I would say, is making me very curious is the fact that Dogecoin right now is on the verge of a breakout. What I'm going to do to show you why it's on the verge of the breakout is by taking the logarithmic scales on the 2 weeks chart you can see over here. On the logarithmic scale, you can see that right now Dogecoin could be pretty much is sitting at an important level of resistance over here. And once we're going to be able to go and break this area over here, once we're going to be able to break the 0.20, then it's going to be very easy for Dogecoin to continue to go to the upside. Now, in terms of, I'm going to show you right now, short-term, long-term, and also at the end of the of this bull run, we need to go through a few things. Now, I don't know if you are trading Dogecoin right now short term, but what I can see right now is that we need to see in terms of if we're going to be able to go and break to the upside. It's going to be very dependent on the election results. But from a technical point of view, so if I only had to have a look at a technical point of view right now, I could be thinking that Dogecoin could be retracing down around this area, around over here, in between 0.155 to 0.16 before continuing higher. Of course, the trend, nobody can deny, is a beautiful uptrend, which is forming a series of higher high and higher lows. But at the same time, we need to be mindful that right now there are multiple bearish divergences, which usually is a bearish sign. We can see a little bit of a trend exhaustion. What I can see very good is over here is a nice pickup in volume from here, which is actually very good. But at the same time, what I think is going to be healthy is to see a potential correction down to this area and then boom, another impulse to the upside, because as I explained to you before, the trend is high. Another thing which is very important from, I would say, a longer term point of view. And to do this, I'm going to go back into my regular chart and I'm going to show you from the weekly. Talking about the psychology of market cycle. I don't know if you ever heard about the psychology of market cycles. Basically, it explains to you. I'm going to go and digit for you psychology of market cycle. So you're going to understand why I'm actually super bullish for Dogecoin. So you can see right now all of this, right? So in general, that's what you can see in a market cycle. This example here is from Reddit. It's actually very, very good because it shows you over here where we are. Now, you can see that we had last in 2021, we had a really explosion to the upside. Then we had a bear market, despair, return to the mean, take off, and then first sell off with a bear trap. Now, if you go over here and you open this chart over here, guys, this looks identical. You can see the euphoria phase over here. You see the bear market, you see the anger, you see the depression, you see the first takeoff, or even called disbelief phase. We're still in disbelief phase over here. And then what happens is you're going to enter into hope, you're going to enter into belief, into thrill, and then euphoria. That's usually what happens. So right now, looks like Dogecoin is into a period called the disbelief phase. But not for longer, because if we're going to break the line I was explaining to you before, we're going to see a very strong move to the upside. And the question is, how high are we going to go to? I'm going to utilize again my logarithmic scales because it makes much more sense to me. And I'm going to show you my target for Dogecoin for the next few months or so. First of all, I'm not a moonboy crypto guru that is going to tell you that it's going to go to $6, $10, $20. I'm going to give you very realistic expectation, whether you are a trader, you are an investor. And I'm going to show you where we could go from here. And also, by the way, guys, if you are interested in learning how to analyze all of this and also to find these altcoins, meme coins, which they can do 10x, 20x in this bull market here, guys, you can join our VIP group. Our VIP group, you can see here, we have a section dedicated to those altcoins which could explode to the upside. We are a community of professional members. We have trading calls, we have analysis every single day for Bitcoin, for altcoins, for you to help you to navigate the crypto market, whether you are a trader or you are a long-term investor. If you want to join, guys, link in the description below. Anyway, let's go back into Dogecoin and show you what's happening right now from here. You can see that looking at the chart from here. First of all, something that comes to my eyes is going to be a potential pullback up to what we call the golden pocket area. Golden pocket area, it's an area where you can see the price to retracing at the maximum level. And right now from here, the first golden pocket area is going to be around the 61.8% Fibonacci. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go and throw a rectangle around this area. And I'm going to state that I could see Dogecoin short term, in case we're going to be able to break this area over here, and when also we're going to be able to win the election with Donald Trump, we could be seeing a pump up to this area over here. Reason number one is the fact that we can see it's sort of like an ABCD pattern. We call this an ABC. I'm just going to show you what it is. You're going to see, for example, ABC, you have A, you have B, C, and then you got D at the end over here. So A equal B, C, and D. So the ABCD pattern, you can see that the projection is going to bring you to roughly around here, around January or February. So the first target is going to be for me around the 49 to 45 cents for Dogecoin. And the question, probably very disappointed right now and telling me, oh, but that's actually very, very low. Well, first of all, it's not low because it's going to be a almost like a 3x from where we are right now. But at the same time, what I can notice as well here from a charting point of view, I can see Dogecoin potentially forming what we call an inverted head and shoulder. You can see over here, we are forming the shoulder, the head, the shoulder. We have a neckline over here. And if we're going to be able to break the neckline, we could be seeing a movement of a price, bringing it roughly around here. So this target over here, from a weekly point of view, long-term point of view, is bringing me to roughly $1.07. So that could be, in my opinion, a very good target for the end of this bull cycle for Dogecoin. So from here, 0.16 to $1.70 could be roughly a 6x from here. I don't know if you're going to be happy with that. Some people might have told you it can go up to $13, $25,000, but I like to be a realist, and I would like to tell you that to me, $1 is going to be already very, very good. Some people probably will argue and will say that utilizing a Fibonacci extension, we could be see higher target coming, but look at this. So what is quite fascinating is the fact that I didn't show you, I just show you an inverted head and shoulder from here. And I'm now throwing the Fibonacci extension, and the 1.618 Fibonacci extension again is bringing me, as we already discussed before, to 1.12. I say 1.07. 1.12 is very close to the target I was talking about before. So seeing Dogecoin going to this area over here, in my opinion, that's going to be a very good result. Very, very good gain for us. You can see even from here to here, you can bring it over here and it brings you to the target. So looking at the chart from here, could be a possibility. You could be seeing even an explosion up to $2.87. But remember going back to our market capitalization, guys, I don't want to break your dreams. I don't have hope thinking we're going to go super high. So are we going to go to $3? Are we going to do a 20x from here? Is Dogecoin going to have a market cap of $500 billion? Very unlikely. Very, very unlikely. So is going to have a market cap of 100 billions? More likely. So based on all of this, based on all this technical data, and guys, I'm a no bullshit guys. You can see that I really work on data. That's how I made money and how I was able to turn 5 figures into 7 figures in roughly a couple of years. Because what we do, we are technicians, right? We just have a look at the point of maximum opportunity, get out, get in the game when it crashes, and so much more. But right now, to summarize everything, what you have to have a look right now is going to be, first of all, the Fibonacci retracement. So remember that once we're going to get to this point over here at 0.4849, you could expect some sort of retracement. Don't think, we're going to go up only from here. So we could be seeing something like this. Then we're going to see a pump up to here. Then we're going to potentially see another consolidation down to 21, 22, and then the final explosion to the upside. That's what I can see right now. So guys, to summarize everything, Dogecoin about to explode. Let's have a look what's happening right now with the election. It's going to be incredible to see if Donald Trump, is going to win. Integration with X payments, the reduced government spending by utilizing Doge as well is going to also be a very good catalyst for Doge to rise way, way higher. And I guess right now we only have to wait and see. But shorter term, as I explained to you before, be very careful because Dogecoin right now is quite overextended, and a correction down to 0.15 15.5 is actually quite likely. Of course, if you have any question, leave a comment down below. If you need to ask me anything about the other meme coins that we would like me to analyze, please be my guest. But otherwise, I wish you a great day.